Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue and how we can reset the HyperX Cloud headset. So what you have to do is there are multiple things to try. The first thing is you want to press and hold the power button with the plus button at the same time. Press and hold it for about, let's say, 10 to 15 seconds. The second thing when I researched is that what you can try to do is that this guy wrote here, I turned on my PC and it fixed the volume on all my devices after trying them all again. So if you're going to connect to the PC, just try to turn it off, turn it on, maybe it's going to fix it for you. And also, then hold down your power button when the headset is off. This is like for the HyperX Cloud to wireless. Hold down the power button when the headset is off until it starts blinking green and red. Plug in your HyperX wireless adapter into your PC. Press the button on the adapter. The button is the thing that sticks in, so you need to get a needle to press it. Hold down the button on the adapter until it's solid red. So this is something also that you can do if you have the HyperX Cloud 2 wireless. I don't know what kind of you have, but I just wanted to share with you that these are the ways how you can possibly fix the issues. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.